Objective number 2. Complete the square in one variable. To obtain the perfect square trinomial for x squared plus bx, we need to add the third term. The formula is that 1/2 of b and then square. For example, in part A, problem example number 5, we want to add one more term to get trinomial, and after that we want to factor. So you see that we have a variable y, and there's only one number. That number is a number a. Go with the variable y. In the formula we have the variable x and we have the number b that go with the x. So in this case 8 is b. So to add the third term, what do is you use the formula. You do 1/2 of b, so 1/2 of 8. So 1/2 times 8, and then you square it. 1/2 of 8 is 4, and then you square the 4 is 16. That means we will add the third term is 16. After that, we double check our work by factor the trinomial. We have y and y. 16 is 4 and 4. Then we multiply the inside and the outside. So we will get plus and plus. And we get y plus 4 square. We call this is trinomial and perfect square trinomial because when we factor, we get two parentheses the same. In problem B, 12 is b. It is a number that go with the variable x. What do is we do 1/2 of 12. 1/2 of 12 is 6, and then we will square the 6. 6 squared is 36. And now we factor the trinomial, so we do x and x. 36 is 6 and 6, and we add them. So we will get x plus 6 square. Problem C, a is negative 20. So you do 1/2 of negative 20. You can write 20 or negative 20 because we're going to square them anyway. When you square, you will get positive. So we always add, okay? We always add because the number that we got is always plus a positive number. 1/2 of 20 is 10. And when you square the 10, you will get 100. We're going to factor a squared minus 28 plus 10. We're going to do 8 and 8, 10 and 10, and then minus and minus. Then we can write 8 minus 10 squared. The last one, the number is not even. The b is a 5. We're going to deal with the fraction a little bit. So 1/2 of b, so 1/2 of 5 square. We cannot cancel the 2 and the 5. Then you can think 5 is like 5 over 1. Then we got 5 over 2 square. 5 over 2 is 25 over 4 when you square 5 over 2. Then we will add 25 over 4, and then we will factor. We're going to do two parentheses, p and p. 25 over 2 is 5. 25 over 4 is 5 over 2 and 5 over 2. Then we're going to do minus and minus. Now we check the middle terms again. We got 5 over 2p, and then minus 5 over 2p. 5 over 2 add a negative 5 over 2. The LCD is 2. And then we add the number on the top is negative 10. Then negative 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that is 5p, negative 5p. That's what we're looking for in the middle. Then we can write p minus 5 over 2 square.